Low-carbohydrate diet. With the publicity of Atkins diet, low-carbohydrate diets have become the latest trend in recent years. Weight reduction has become everyone's aim, and they are looking for quick and simple options to lose weight. In some cases, people who not need to lose weight get overly stressed when they gain a few pounds. In certain other cases, people may have to shed pounds to solve medical complications and may possess more than 100 pounds that they need to get rid of. There are several different diet plans available, including low-carbohydrate diets, and truthfully speaking, all of them will prove successful in weight loss provided they are followed strictly. This does not necessarily imply that one must follow the diet requirements each and every second of the day. The essential point is to steer clear of occasions where you feast and indulge on foods that abandon your diet plan. If you are able to pull this off and stick to the diet plan without much difficulty, you will emerge successful. Almost everyone has one of these days. The challenge lies in letting them go and taking them as another successful step on the path to permanent weight reduction. It is important to adopt a diet plan that is easy for you to follow. Low-carbohydrate diet is the most popular dieting option as its rules are fairly simple. As the title suggests, it involves limited intake of carbohydrate-rich foods. This includes pasta, bread, grains, rice and potatoes. Sugar intake also accounts for carbohydrate consumption. It is easy to avoid these carbohydrate-rich foods once their composition is understood. The main point of criticism when it comes to low-carbohydrate dieting is that dieters get most of their calories from dairy, meat and other fat-rich substances. This may lead to rise in cholesterol levels and other problems which arise due to high consumption of saturated fat. It is recommended that you take medical advice before adopting such a diet plan. In some cases, weight reduction is good at early stages, but most people tend to stray off track due to the high restrictions. The common problem that people who follow low-carbohydrate diets face is the absence of pasta and bread. No more spaghetti, pizza or toast. Most meals that are quick and easy to prepare revolve around carbohydrates, burger buns, sandwiches, fries and pasta. Beer, including other forms of alcohol, is high in carbohydrate content. Generally, alcohol is restricted in all diet plans, but low-carbohydrate diets emphasize on this point particularly, as they are high in calorie and low in nutrition. There are still several foods that may be relished even when one is on a low-carbohydrate diet. Meat lovers can grab the chance to consume chicken, beef and other poultry products. The popularity and effect of these diets are indicated by how long they remain on the list of bestsellers. But in the end, it depends entirely on what suits you. However, low-carbohydrate diet plans seem to work for most people. Overnight weight loss. With the rapid pace in which the world is advancing, it has become almost impossible to eat healthy and balanced food all the time. People have got more used to eat foods from fast food haunts and other places, thereby resulting in excessive consumption of low-fiber food and refined sugar by way of different varieties of processed and tinned food and sodas and other unhealthy beverages. This has resulted in a large amount of the population around the world to be classified as obese or overweight. There are many other factors which may result in obesity, such as overeating, genetics and slowdown of metabolism as a person grows older. The rate of weight loss is proportionate to the amount of weight gained. Speedy weight loss is not considered sensible, as it would make the skin of the person sag, thereby making him opt for a surgery to make the skin look better. Weight loss also depends on the health, weight, gender, age, calorie intake, stress level, routine and lifestyle. All overweight people are not unhealthy but are considered to be unfashionable. One important and significant fact to be noted is that there is no instantaneous or miraculous weight loss solution available. According to health experts and nutritionists, adequate exercise with a balanced diet would be of great help in losing a few pounds every week. A proper workout schedule coupled with a low-calorie diet program would help in achieving favorable results. For this purpose, the individual should opt for a suitable diet plan designed by a health professional or a dietitian according to the routine and lifestyle of the individual. Such plans have to be formulated in such a way that it does not comprise of purchase any costly fitness equipment or any kind of diet supplement. A combination of weight training and cardiovascular workout exercise program would be very effective and helpful. This would help in increasing muscle-to-fat ratio on one hand, and at the same time help in burning the extra fat, thus inducing weight loss and an increase in the metabolism rate. A balanced diet plan must consist of food items from all the varieties of food groups. This consists of two parts: 1. Carbohydrates, 2. Fats. The food consumed by an individual must comprise of fiber, minerals and vitamins in the right proportions. A lot of this can be taken by way of cereals, oats and potatoes. However, the best sources for this are fruits and vegetables, as they contain phytochemical, micronutrients and enzymes which are important for a balanced diet. The second part comprises of fats, which can come from polysaturated or monosaturated foodstuff rather than that derived from animals. Proper care must be taken to consume fats in the correct quantity so that unwanted calories are not added. Every diet plan is made keeping in mind lesser number of calories to be consumed by the individual. This refers to eating smart rather than starving, or eating less by choosing the right foodstuff in the right quantity. This helps in losing weight without eating less. The individual should keep visiting the dietitian or health professional throughout the diet period to see the improvement and keep track of the results achieved. This helps in making changes in the diet if necessary. However, by the end of it, it is in the hands of the individual to stick to diet plans strictly. pH Miracle Diet Basics. The latest path-breaking invention to strike the world of nutrition and dieting is the pH Miracle Diet. Experts have noted that popular dieting plans seem to vary from time to time. For instance, the 90s marked low-fat diets, and the last decade has focused on low-carbohydrate diets like Protein Power, South Beach Diet, Sugar Busters and Atkins. People begin to get frustrated with each new diet and start looking for newer options. The pH Miracle has stolen the spotlight currently. This diet appeals to most people as it completely different from the usual high-protein, low-carbohydrate diets that have ruled the last couple of years. The pH diet, also known as the Young Diet, named after its founder Dr. Robert Young, or the alkaline diet, has a unique approach towards the supply of nutrition. Many medical experts, nutritionists and doctors find this diet program as an extremely balanced approach to achieve nutrition that considers the true requirements of the body. Normally, our bodies have a slightly alkaline pH value. The principle is that as our body functions best at alkaline pH, our diet must be comprised of alkaline foods. The normal diet of an average American contains several acidic foods, including sugar, caffeine, animal protein and packaged food. These acidic products disturb the pH level of the human body and thereby cause a myriad of problems. The principles of this diet claim that acidic foods hinder the benefits of alkaline minerals, including potassium, calcium, sodium and magnesium, which make people vulnerable to chronic conditions. The real essence of the pH diet. Nutrition and health experts have realized that the food which a person consumes as part of his diet has a distinct effect on his overall health pattern. Though the medical community has given special importance to a balanced, nutritional diet which includes fresh fruits and vegetables, dairy and meat items, the pH diet is a step ahead. It clearly indicates that acidic foods deprive the body of its essential minerals. People who adopt the pH Miracle Diet have learnt to avoid intake of food that causes disastrous effects to health. Most foods that we commonly consume are strictly forbidden in the pH diet. The most surprising of these restrictions is the removal of wheat products. Though the FDA suggests consumption of whole wheat products, the pH diet claims that grains like millet, wheat, rice and oats are harmfully acidic. Alkaline grains such as quinoa, spelt and buckwheat are favored due to their alkalizing benefits. Usually, dairy and meat products are banned from the pH Miracle Diet. For your protein source, goat milk is allowed. Protein is also available in tofu, nuts, seeds and beans. Almost all vegetables, except mushroom, have a high alkalizing effect. Intake of fruits is limited to grapefruit, lime, lemon and coconuts. People who have adopted the pH Miracle Diet claim that there had been tremendous effect on their health well within the first couple of weeks. It is advisable to lower the consumption of pre-processed foods, and increase the intake of vegetables, irrespective of what the diet specifies for the person. As a matter of fact, this has become the point of major criticism of the pH diet. Opponents claim that those who are already consuming fresh food and plenty of water will find no effect from this diet. They ignore the pH balance theory. Another significant point to be noticed is that there is no scientific proof of the theories involved in pH Miracle Diet. Several conventional doctors find no benefits arising from this diet. But the principles of this diet are based completely on Chinese medicine, which has been in practice for centuries. These proponents are currently being studied at the Johns Hopkins University and by the United Nations. Critics may have to amend their attitude towards the basis of the diet. Is the pH Miracle Diet right for you? The latest groundbreaking new invention to enter the field of nutrition and dietetics is the pH Miracle Diet. This new method claims to help in restoration of your natural health balance and also rid you of innumerable other conditions, including obesity. Though most people are looking at efficient ways to lose a couple of pounds, this diet claims to aid dealing with muscle pain, indigestion and fatigue, along with several other problems. If you've experimented low-carbohydrate diets and found the excess protein levels staggering, then pH Miracle Diet program may be the answer to your woes. This program is primarily based on intake of alkaline foods, which benefit your body and health in more ways than one. As humans generally tend to have a mildly alkaline pH, consuming alkaline foods will help in maintaining the pH balance of the body. Many people eat acidic foods like meat, dairy and wheat products. The pH diet comprises of fruits, veggies, grains and vegetarian sources of protein. The pH diet program is the brainchild of Dr. Robert Young, who clearly indicates in his dieting book that excess acidity is the main cause behind most health-related problems. Young says that nasal congestion, chronic fatigue, dry hair, weak nails, frequent cold infections, dry skin, stress, anxiety, muscle pain, headaches, arthritis, leg cramps and hives, among other disorders, are signs of high acid content in the body. Your acidic diet can be held responsible if you have experienced any of these symptoms for a prolonged period of time. Keep a watch over the amount of acidic foods that you consume, including dairy products and animal protein. If these conditions have been a source of distraction and annoyance to your healthy lifestyle, then pH Miracle is probably your best solution. For people who have had little success with low-carbohydrate diets, pH Miracle Diet program is an extremely relieving option. These alkaline foods are not as harsh as protein-rich substances in low-carbohydrate diets, and do not damage the digestive system. It possesses a healthier balance of protein-carbohydrate content. The proteins consumed in pH Miracle program are carefully selected based on their acid level. It mainly consists of tofu, nuts and beans. This diet program is also highly recommended for people who prefer to thrive on vegetarian food. If sacrificing meat products for a day has made you feel good, this pH diet is probably just the thing for you. There is absolutely no meat involved, and the sole dairy product allowed is goat's milk. Tofu, the major constituent of a vegetarian diet, plays an essential role in the pH Miracle Diet. If your diet is composed mainly of pre-processed foods and negligible amounts of vegetables, this is the right option for you. Manufactured foods will not supply your body with the necessary nutrients. This may result in several health problems including malnutrition in spite of eating your fill. This Miracle pH diet focuses on fresh fruits and vegetables which will provide the required amount of vitamins and mineral to your diet. Adding a reasonable amount of alkaline meals to your diet program can bring drastic change to your health. This pH Miracle diet is found to be suitable for most kinds of persons. If you belong to any of the above mentioned categories, you simply must give this eating program a try.